November is Youth Month, and the Arts page has its fingers on the pulse of everything youth on a mission. Today on the page, we journey to one of the island's tertiary institutions dedicated to molding our young. Come along and see what's in store for you. What do you get when you mix poetry and comedy? Comedy, of course. Watch as Utech alumnus Yasus Afari teams up with other artists to give his school something to kinty about.
Observation, inspiration, meditation. Charged with vibration.
We don't just love Asafa so. Asafa win, we don't love him. Asafa lose, we don't love him. Asafa withdraw, we don't love him. Asafa pull out, we don't love him.
At the good old days, man, I remember my friend wondering if they'll ever come back again.
Gear did say was ready. And I saw look relax this time. But when the starter's pistol go off, you see him left the whole of them behind. From shot him own world record and clock 9.58 seconds to win. That's 0.11 seconds faster than he did run when he did get goal in Beijing.
The proverb is, ram goat foot broke, him find him yard. Now let's see how we use it, because we have to teach you how to use the proverbs. Those of you, for example, who are parents who have children, you're telling your children over and over to do this. Don't do that. You're trying to guide them through life. They not pay you no mind. But as they go out a road and little trouble catch them, they run straight back home to mommy and daddy. So the proverb is, ram goat foot broke, he find him yard.
Comedy showcased to a very welcoming audience.
It was my first experience at the comedy show, and it has been a lovely experience for real. All different artists came with their different flair, and all of them beautiful.
Nice, wholesome fun for the evening. A lot of people were here with their kids, and they weren't embarrassed to have them here. I think it was a wonderful initiative by Yasus Afari. Congrats to him.
Utech's staging of comedy is just one of the many ways it is reclaiming its dominance in the arts. Proceeds from comedy will go to the university's arts program, as well as the installation of a life-size chessboard in Utech's sculpture park. With plans far advanced for Utech to become the new face of arts and culture on the island, we now hear from the woman who will be making it a reality.
We are at a critical point in our history in terms of the cultural industries in Jamaica. Utech wants to establish a position for itself within that particular industry. And we know we have something very unique to offer to the process, and hence the reason we have decided to pull together the professional arm, which will consist of our present students, past students, as well as our staff members here at the university.
After some 15 years of planning, the dream of having a professional arm of the Utech choir is now being realized. Auditions were held recently, and persons who tried out made it very difficult for the panel to choose who would form the Utech musical theatre company.
River a flood, but water scarce.
You make Miss Hattie husband put her sitting on the door.
Me the wings of an eagle, I will soar into the sky. Give me strength to hold my brother's hand.
Will you be attending Utech's musical theatre company events in the near future? I know I will. Until next time, this has been The Arts Page.